Hello friends, welcome back to Calls and Puts. After successful completion of our 10k to 100k series, I am planning to start new series that is 50k to 200k, and this series will be purely price action based. In this video, we'll discuss about our plan and which strategies we are following. So basically we'll follow price action, what instrument will trade, and how our money management will be. So we'll discuss that in detail in this video. So before moving forward to these topics, after completion of 10k to 100k, one of my friend called me and he asked me how many times you will do 10k to 100k. Every time we cannot multiply our capital with 5x or 10x. So that's the reason I have not given the title of 50k to 500k. So it looks attractive, but it's difficult to achieve that target with this 50k capital. That's the reason we need to be realistic. So I have considered 50k to 200k uh, target for this series. So what do you think, why we cannot make 50k to 500k the way we have made 10k to 100k? Because there are three points we need to consider. First point is the scalability of the position. So when we are doing 10k to 100k, we have started with 4 lots and we have traded maximum with 15 to 20 lots of bank nifty. Now when we are starting with 50k capital, our starting position size will be 15 to 20 lots. So when we cross our 100k or 150k, and if still we want to trade with 100k or 150k, our position size will be almost 40 to 60 lots. So this scalability is one of the issue, and money management when you increase your position size and mindset to accept the risk and profit. So I feel these are the three major constraints to multiply capital every time with 5x or 10x. So as capital grows, our target or that rate of multiplication obviously reduces. Hope you understand this point. You can mention your thoughts in comment section as well. Now let's quickly understand our plan and our money management and what instrument we will be trading in this entire series. So price action includes the support and resistance, and along with that I am using 20 moving average. And third point is we'll learn about multi-time frame analysis during this series. So these trend lines and patterns are obviously part of support and resistance, what I feel, because generally support and resistance we consider as a horizontal line. When those horizontal lines becomes ascending or descending, those becomes trend lines, and multiple trend lines in opposite direction becomes patterns. So this trend line and patterns are part of the support and resistance. So all these trend line, patterns and moving averages, you can say a different form of support and resistance only. And third most important point which we'll do in this entire series is multi-time frame analysis. So if we are taking trade on 3-minute or 5-minute time frame, how the 15-minute or 30-minute and daily time frame help for our entry and exit, that we'll learn throughout this series. Next point is which instrument we will be trading throughout this series. I have considered Nifty options, bank Nifty options, and stocks equity. So we are not going to trade into stocks options. So why I have considered three different options for this series? Because earlier we have traded only in bank Nifty. So many times when we don't get any opportunity in bank Nifty, we'll try to take a trade in Nifty and stocks as well. So many times all these instruments perform differently. So that's the reason I have considered three different options or three alternatives so that we can get opportunity every day. So apart from finding opportunity, the reason behind I have considered stocks as one of the trading instrument for this series. This will improve our stock selection as well. So that will help in long run. So I am planning to select couple of stocks which are in uptrend and couple of stocks which are in downtrend. So at least we can find one of the opportunity in buy side or sell side in stocks intraday. So let's try to trade in all these three different instrument in this series. Moving forward, next point is money management or risk management. So as our capital grows or position sizing grows, we need to more focus on these things. So I have considered 6 criteria for this series for the money management. So you can say the rules for this series. So basically this reward ratio I have considered 1:2. So let's try because I always trade on 1:1 or 1:1.5. So let's increase that to 1:2 and let's see how this works in this series. And win rate I'm considering around 60%. So sometimes it will be 50, sometimes it will be 70%. So let's try to target 60% win rate or success rate for our trades. So this time we are targeting around 8 to 10% of our capital as a profit and 5% is average loss. So average profit I'm target planning to target is around 4 to 6k each day, and average loss will be 2k to 3k each day or each trade. And most important rule, that is rule number 5, carry forward position. So strictly no, so we are not going to carry forward any option position to next day, whether we are in loss or whether we are in profit on that day. So we'll book our loss and profit as per our plan and target, and we'll exit on the same day. And last point is number of trades per day. So I'm planning to, because as you know I take only one trade each day, so I'm planning to take two trades each day now. So let's see how it works. So I don't want to over trade, but still if we find some opportunity, as we have increased our trading instrument, that is Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks. So if we take first trade in Bank Nifty, if we find second trade in stock, we'll definitely go for that. Okay friends, so hope you understood all these plans and all these money management instruments and what price action trading we are planning to do in this series. Okay friends, that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.